IFPC Pet Insurance Finland app. The pros, the cons. The IFPC Pet Insurance Finland app is built to simplify pet insurance management, letting you handle everything from claims to policy tracking with ease. Many people think it's just a digital policy viewer, but it actually allows full claim submission, premium management, and coverage monitoring in real time. On the pro side, the app offers complete access to policy details, covering accidents, illnesses, and optional wellness services. Claim submission is quick and simple. You can upload vet bills, receipts, and photos directly from your phone. Premiums are easy to track with reminders and a full payment history. Push notifications keep you updated about claim progress, policy changes, and upcoming payments. The app also supports multiple pets, which is perfect for households with more than one free friend. On the con side, offline functionality is limited, so you need an internet connection for most features. Some users experience slower performance when accessing older claims or large files. The app also lacks advanced features like wellness trackers or cost calculators, which may be a downside if you want detailed insights into your pet's healthcare and expenses. In conclusion, the IFPC Pet Insurance Finland app is a practical, user-friendly tool for Finnish pet owners. While it doesn't offer advanced analytical tools, it excels in claims management, premium tracking, and policy monitoring, giving you convenience, clarity, and peace of mind.